Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, y'all know I love pizza. Well, this is kind of a healthier take on pizza, so sounds good. Well, I'm gonna go over here and show you how to make it, and we'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. This is like a really super simple recipe. Um, I'd call it a healthy recipe. Start a couple pitas. You can use whole wheat pitas, or these are just the regular pitas. We got some sun-dried tomato pesto, and I buy mine, but you can make your own if you know how. Which I kind of know how, but I'm too lazy to do it. This is just as good. It's probably better than what I'd make actually. So, all right, take your pesto. Kind of get it evenly smooshed around on there. And I'm making two of them because I want one for later. Alright, got that. This is baby spinach, which I just kind of chopped up a little bit. Gotta have enough for both of them now. Don't be putting it all on one. I like spinach, so that's why it kind of drew me to this recipe. And I like pizza. So, all right. Now we got some fresh mushrooms sliced. Just gonna drop some of those on there. Just a few. Take the rest and put on this one. Now these are aroma tomatoes. You can use plum tomatoes, whatever you have available. Either one. They're both basically the same. Alright. Got that. Now, one of my favorite cheese, feta cheese. I absolutely love feta cheese. And this is the pre-crumbled stuff. And I'm going to put a little extra on mine, because that's what I want. You can put on as much or as little as you want. You can use mozzarella, you can use cheddar. I just think this recipe goes a lot better with the feta than any other kind of cheese. And then I just use a little shake of Parmesan with pre-grated stuff. Alright, here we have it. Our pizza's made up. Now you just preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for about 15 minutes. Basically just want to crisp up the pita a little bit. And I'm using parchment paper. You can use aluminum foil or whatever you want to use, but I prefer to use the parchment paper when doing this. So let me get these popped in the oven. We'll get them baked, and we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, it's been 15 minutes for me, and just got these out of the oven. So we're going to actually slide it back down this way. And we're going to cut these, or cut one of them. Ooh, got that nice crisp crust from that pita. Alright. Now I like mine in a little bit smaller pieces, so Beautiful, beautiful. Awesome. So, alright. There we have it. Almost still a piece of feta. Alright. I'm going to grab a plate and we'll do a little taste test. Alright, y'all. We got our sun-dried tomato, pesto, spinach, and tomato, and mushroom, and onion, and feta cheese, pita pizza. Y'all, that's delicious. If you're looking for a, nice easy meal, has a great flavor to it, easy to make, healthy, mind you, healthy. That's it right there. Don't get much better than that. So I'll leave the recipe down in the comments. All the ingredients you need. Now you can put drizzle a little olive oil over them before you cook them. I don't like the texture that it makes, but anyways, that's up to you. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, anything you like. So, and put toppings on it you like too. If you want to put sausage and pepperoni and all that kind of stuff on it, by all means do it to it. But I suggest you try it this way first, and then doctor it up from there. So there you have it, y'all. Nice, easy, healthy meal for a quick snack, or if you're just wanting something light and easy, there you go. So we're gonna call it a day. Appreciate y'all, and remember, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage. And it's getting to be closer and closer to the tractor pulling season, so we'll be getting some of those videos out also. So, and leave me a comment too. I like the comments. I read every single one of my comments. I try to respond to every single one of them also. So it's going to do it for today. I don't have a beverage of the day handy. It's probably going to be coffee. I love my coffee. You all know that. Coffee and pizza. Weird combination, but I like it. So appreciate y'all, and remember, bon appetit.